program is an idea of my students because I was given a paper called Training and Development for PTPG students, and most of them were actually the trainers in their organizations. Some of them were holding training programs already with their organizations, and some of them were in in a dilemma to understand what exactly is the evaluation techniques they would like to adopt to evaluate the training programs. And some of them were in confusion to understand, to measure the learnings. It's very good that we hold a program, we design a training program, and most of them they claim that yes, we have done with the training program, we have adopted so good dynamic technologies to train the people. But what is important is where learning takes place. We have to question ourselves, is actually learning taking place? Are these people going to apply the knowledge, whatever they learn in training programs, to their workplace so that they can really enjoy the efficiency of the work? This is what the question students used to get when I asked them to play the role, or when I asked them to give an assignment kind of thing, presentation kind of thing about their work profile in their own organizations. So then finally we have understood that most of the people are claiming a lot of things. They're taking a lot of pride in conducting the programs as if they are so much proud about their teaching methodologies, but most of them are forgetting about the learning methodologies. And we understand that learning is actually not taking place, because there should be a proper device, there should be a proper methodology, evaluation technique, so that down the line 5 months, 6 months or 1 year, people should be tested once again to understand whether whatever they have learned is really going to apply at workplace or not. So this is what our concern. Then this staff, they started, madam, why don't we do a workshop kind of thing? We are really interested in inviting people and understand how these things are taking place in organization kind of thing. So we thought of organizing this seminar at that time. Because of this Telangana agitation and all, we could not do it at that time. Now we have come with this program schedule. The topic is recent trends in training and development, which we are proposing to held during October 25th and 26th, 2013. And we have listed so many sub-themes for paper presentation, where some of the topics, illustrative topics. So illustration topics are actually there in the brochure. I request the participants to please collect the brochure from the registration desk, and also forward the same thing to your colleagues in your own departments, and see that, because you have a lot of time here, the program is scheduled in October month, good time for people like scholars, research scholars to come with some good research publications. And same thing, whatever we have done in the program, we would like to do much more. And thank you for giving me an opportunity.